Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin. I'm the founder of Miss EmpowHer, and today I'm going to show you how to tie Miss EmpowHer waist beads. So as you can see, I have our 50-inch Miss EmpowHer waist beads, which fits sizes 00 to size 18 USA. So that's just good just to know, just in case you're wondering, will this fit me, will this not fit me? Those are our sizes. Okay, so now let me take this long 50-inch strand, put it around me. You don't have to be as dramatic as me, I'm just very extra. So I'm going to take it around, kind of figure out where do I want this to sit on my waist. Some people like it to have it like super tight like here. Some people like to wear it the traditional way and wear it a little bit like close around their like hip, lower stomach area or like hip area. I think I kind of want it to sit here. Okay, so now that I found where I want it to sit, I need to figure out, do I want it loose? Do I want it tight? I think I want to just be comfortable. So I want to make sure I give myself just a little bit of wiggle room because, we're women, we bloat. I mean, we're human, we bloat, we bend, we sit, and we need to make sure that our waist beads are intact. And we also don't want to tie it too low because we don't want it, around our jean area or anything like that. Okay, so now that I know where I want it placed, I need to get rid of these excess beads because they're definitely not necessary. Okay. Getting rid of these excess beads. Let me move a little bit closer for y'all so you can see my getaway right waist beads. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. Okay, so I see where they're sitting. I want it a little bit tighter though. That's just my preference. But I can't have them too tight because I need to be aware of bloating. All right. So now I think I have it in a place I'm comfortable. So now I'm going to show you how I tie them. So I'm going to take this here and then I'm going to loop it, tie myself a knot, but it needs to be secure. So I'm going to do another one. All right. And now I've got to a comfortable place. I like this. So what I'm going to do is snip, snip. Unfortunately, I forgot my scissors. And as you can see, I have some comfortable waist beads now that really fit me, sit comfortable. I like the way they're sitting. I'll give you a little motion. Okay. So now all you have to do is get your Miss EmpowHer waist beads. You already know how to tie them. So go ahead and go to www.missempowher.com and get your waist beads.